My headers used to be here. Now I'm gonna have to put some sheet metal there to try and keep some unwanted visitors out of the engine compartment. Ta-da! Could have been better. My grinder quit working on me, so I'm gonna take it apart and see what's going on in there. I don't know how to take it apart, and I have no idea what it's supposed to look like in there, but I guess I'll figure it out as I go on. I see a screw, so I'm gonna take it out. Lefty loosey, so far things are going as planned. Come on, little screw. Come on out of your hole. No? Yeah. Alright, there goes that. Just as I suspected. This should come apart. Oh no, the trigger's gonna come with me. If I push that in, then what happens? Uh-oh. Whoa, runaway screwdriver. Whoa, what happens now? Hit that with a hammer. Get in there! You know what? They put a screw there if it doesn't do anything. Come on. Why is everything gotta be made in China? Whole world's gone plastic. Damn plastic. Come on, plastic thing. Why'd you put that button there? Come on. What if I take this screwdriver and stick it in there? No? Yeah. Exactly. Just like that. Come on. Come on, little doggy. Come on, come on, come on. I need you to cooperate, 'cause I need a grinder and you don't work. I just want my grinder to work. Come on. No? Alright, this one goes in there, and then we'll hold that button down, and then this one will push like that, and just like that, there it goes. Oh, there's a leaf. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, what's going on in here? Whoa, the trigger fell off. That might be important. Now, the wire comes in. That one goes there. There's a springy thing. Where's the other wire? Is there a ground on this? No ground. 2 wires. Where's the other wire? 1, 2. There they are. That one looks looks happy and healthy. It's hard to say what that one looks like. No. There's some grass in there. There's a bird's nest. Now I'm hoping to find a loose wire or something burned or melted. So far, I have found none of the sort. Which means, well, I mean, it could be a bad contact, right? Or it could just be old and tired. Well, let's just spray some stuff on there and clean it out. When in doubt, hose it out. Ah! If anybody's looking for a pre-owned grinder, doesn't come with a warranty. Even my spray doesn't work. There goes that. But I must admit, it does smell better now. What I'm gonna do now is just take my screwdriver and scratch everything. Morning, Wonder Dog. Good morning, Wonder Dog. What you doing? What you doing, Wonder Dog? Row, row. That's my mud hole, but my mud hole's dry. We're gonna have to turn on the fountains. Good morning, sweetheart. Well, my friend up the road was nice enough to build a nice hill and dig a hole for me. I hope I can make this truck work decent to impress his people that come to his farm for his pumpkin picking event. Unfortunately, I drove it yesterday. Out here and finally got to get it up to speed out of my yard. And I just haven't figured out what's going on with the transmission yet. So I'm gonna start digging into that and see if I can figure it out. Hey, look at all them turkeys. I should have brought my Red Ryder. Anybody home? Oh. All right, Wonder Dog, you follow me.